Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Focus door panel. First, gather all your essential tools. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool to prevent scratches, along with a Phillips head screwdriver and various Torx bits for fasteners. It's also wise to have a small container for screws and a soft cloth or mat to protect the door panel once it's off. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and quicker. Next, we'll locate and remove the screws. Start by gently prying off any small trim covers, often found behind the door handle or in the armrest, using your trim removal tool. Beneath these, you'll typically find Phillips head or Torx screws. Remove all visible screws, including any located along the bottom or sides of the door panel. Some models may have 1 or 2 hidden screws within the door pull or armrest, so check thoroughly. With all screws removed, it's time to detach the panel. Use your plastic trim tool to gently pry around the edges of the door panel, releasing the plastic clips holding it to the door frame. Work your way around the perimeter, being careful not to break the clips. Once the panel is loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for windows, mirrors, or speakers. Finally, release the door handle cable by unhooking it from its mechanism. Once all connections are free, lift the panel straight up and away from the door frame. Be gentle to avoid bending or breaking any remaining clips. Before reassembling, inspect all the plastic clips on the panel and replace any that appear damaged to ensure a secure fit. Reinstallation is essentially the reverse of removal. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you successfully remove your Ford Focus door panel.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.